Hello everybody, this is Valista speaking, but you can call me Van, and today's video is about my natural everyday winter makeup. This tutorial is very simple and should only take you about 20 minutes, but it's very natural and gives you a healthy, glowy look during this harsh cold winter. Most of my products used are budget friendly, but still are good quality because I have super sensitive skin, so we can actually use them every day. Now let's get started. First, I fill in my brows with Etude Drawing Eyebrow in brown. Next, I'm using grays from Leave Your Mark 7 Eyes and Cheek Palette from Tarte to set my lid. To warm up my lid, I'm using Courage for a transition shade. I know you can see how thin and sensitive my skin is right now, with lots of redness, blemishes, and especially that particular pimple next to my nose. Honestly, I don't like them, but they are a part of me, and my Crime Junkie podcast weird head, see pimple and dark spot as my new identity. I don't know, it's a love-hate relationship, but I don't take them too seriously. Oh, you know what? Think about flaws on your face. Do you know that nobody can actually see your flaws unless until you pointed it out? We have a tendency to see our own flaws and insecurities in a magnifying glass, but in reality, nobody cares. So, what the heck? Back to the tutorial, I'm using Good Vibes in the outer corner to give my eyes more depth. I'm creating a soft wing with the shade Respect. Then I slightly blend the shade Respect with Good Vibes to create a gradient effect. With the warmth of my fingers, I'm using the Golden Champagne Shimmer shade from Speak Up for that glowy and dreamy look. The shimmer is a replica for the snowflakes that we tend to see too often during winter. Using NYX Epic Ink Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner, I'm going to create a wing. Next, I'm curling my eyelashes and applying mascara. Since I'm going for a natural everyday look, I am gonna skip the falsies, but you can always choose natural falsies to enhance your eye feature. I'm using my favorite cushion, which is MOONSHOT in the darkest shade for my face. I'm using Bitch Please Cream Blush from Tower 28 for a cold and glowy effect. I'm putting it on the tip of my nose, a little bit on the nose bridge for a cold and glowy effect. We don't want the suntan effect on a cold winter day, am I right? Now, throw the contour away. We're gonna jump right to highlighter. I'm using Master Chrome Highlighter from Maybelline in the shade Molten Gold. It's freaking dry outside, so stay glossy, girls. I'm using the shade Sincerity Lip Gloss from BAREMINERALS and top of the gloss from COLOURPOP in the shade Lavender Luxe. And this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked this video. If you did like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like me, remember to follow me on my social media, which will be linked in the description box down below. And I'll see you next week. Bye!